Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the live action Cinderella on Dress to Impress. Now I only used one VIP item, which is optional if you don't want it. So let's get started with the video. Select this hair and just color it this blonde. Wait, what color did I use? Okay, this blonde, I guess. Position it the same. Select this hair, position it the same, and select this hair in the same color. In default, position the Y 0.45, Z 0.6, and rotate the X to 0.64. Then for the outfit, we are going to use this seashell item, which is this one. I'm just going to color it this color, A2BAFF for everything. I think except for the trim. I think I did like a darker trim on it. And then for the like full-on dress, I used the petal dress in Queen of Flowers. Turn off the silver top. Colored it this color is 6F80D2 and that same lighter blue. And then I think I did the same lighter blue as well. Then I also added this skirt in that same color in light silk. The top is in the glitter material and the rest in a light silk material. I also then added the trendsetter skirt in the no ruffles toggle in that same color. Then I am going to add on, this is optional, this is a VIP item, but if you don't have it, you don't have to. Color it the light blue first and then the dark blue. And then that is it. That is your Cinderella outfit using the new top. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.